Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to contact Google Live Chat. First of all you have to do is open youtube.com and sign in with your creator account. Once you're signed in with your creator account, all you have to do is click on your profile icon on the top, this corner, and then you have to select YouTube Studio. Click on it, then YouTube Studio will open. Then if you're a creator, what you have an extra option that regular people don't have. So creators have an extra option called Chat with Creator Support. You have to click this button. A chat bot or the chat box will open, and a representative from Google or from YouTube will ask you what do you need, what kind of help do you need, what problems are you facing, that kind of stuff, and you can tell them or ask them anything and they will help you. And that's how to contact Google Live Chat. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.